Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for efficient learning. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for efficient learning in number of ways. Here are some tips on how to use ChatGPT for efficient learning. First is use ChatGPT to clarify concepts and terminology. So I type here clarify concept of biology. So if you're stuck on a difficult concept or you're confused by a particular term, you can use ChatGPT to get a quick explanation. Simply type in your question or phrase and ChatGPT will give you an answer in plain language. Use ChatGPT to generate questions. One of the best ways to learn is ask questions. Use ChatGPT to generate questions about a topic you're studying. You can then use these questions to guide your research and deepen your understanding. So let's type. Next is use ChatGPT to summarize information. ChatGPT can help you quick summarize information from a book article or lecture. Type in the main points you want to remember and ChatGPT will generate concise summary. Use ChatGPT to generate examples. Examples can be a great way to deepen your understanding of a concept. Use ChatGPT to generate examples of how a particular concept works in a practice. You can also use ChatGPT to generate analogies. Analogies can be a powerful tool for learning. Use ChatGPT to generate analogies that will help you better understand a difficult concept. Use ChatGPT to practice explaining concepts. One of the best ways to deepen your understanding of concept is to try to explain it to someone else. Use ChatGPT to practice explaining a concept in your own words. Use ChatGPT to generate study materials. ChatGPT can help you generate study materials like flashcards or practice questions. Simply type in the information you want to study and ChatGPT will generate study materials for you. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to support your learning, not a replacement for it. Use it to supplement your own efforts and always double-check the information you receive. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!